Greetings. We are the team Funny Papers, and my name is Pranay. Our project is named Medicator, which is a blockchain based platform for tracking pharmaceutical products, and our team aims to prevent drug counterfeiting across the world. The World Health Organization has estimated that 10% of global pharmaceutical commerce involves counterfeit drugs. This is especially alarming at a time when the world is anxious about the adequacy of basic medicine supplies, given the reduced production and increased demand mostly everywhere. So, before we jump to the solution, we decided to conduct a survey by releasing a Google form to assess and analyze the situation. We received 122 responses, and around 17% of the responses claim that they have consumed counterfeit products. Our project therefore focuses on this issue of pharmaceutical products counterfeiting, and here's a demo of how actually our project works. So basically, our platform has three main users, which are manufacturers, retailers, or the middlemen or the hospitals, and the third one is the general public. So, what actually the manufacturer does is he enters the whole information about the medicine he is producing on his platform, and he is given a product ID corresponding to that. He has to now embed that product ID onto the medicine through a QR code and embed it, and now the the medicine goes to the next user, that is the retailers or the middlemen or the hospitals. Okay, so manufacturer, while entering all the information about the medicines, actually creates a block on the R chain, and he initiates the chain. Now when the retailer receives this product, he now has to scan the QR code which is on the medicine, and his information, including his location, time, date, etc., is stored on the blockchain. And the list goes on. The medicine now passes through a series of retailers and now reaches the end users. Now, the end users can actually know their medicine by clicking through our homepage, Know Your Medicine, and they just have to scan the QR code. If the medicine is from a genuine manufacturer, the block first shows you the actual manufacturer name. For example, if the medicine is from Tata Sons, okay, so the whole information will be starting from the Tata, and it will be showing you the series of chain of the retailers which it has passed through. Okay, so using our platform up, let's just dive right in, and let's just sign in as a user first. Okay, let's just sign in as a manufacturer first. Okay, so I have created a pharmaceutical name SI Pharma Company. Okay, as you can see now, we have a SII Pharma Company as a manufacturer, and if we want to create a record, we could just click on create add a record, add the medicine name, manufacturing date, expiration date, MRP, and the private key of the manufacturer through which he has entered his account number. And we are using Ganache system for dummy data, and we have written the blockchain on the Solidity and for writing the smart contracts, and we have compiled it on Remix platform. Okay, so as you can see, the this manufacturer has various records, and his track history shows that, yeah, uh, yeah, it shows you all the previous medicines which he has manufactured. Okay, uh, all right. So logging out, and now let's just sign in as a retailer. So for retailer as well, while creating account, we are using name, email, address of his wallet, and the password. So let's just sign in. Yep. Okay. Now it shows you the Apollo Hospital as a retailer, and as you can see, it shows you the whole history of the this retailer. And if we just have to just scan a vaccine, we could just click on this, and we have implemented a QR code scanner as well, and as well as the whole manually acting the product ID. Yep. So let's just yeah. Now the QR code is working. So let's just sign out, and let's just assume that we are general public and we want to see if our medicine is authentic, is really. So let's just now check that if the medicines. Okay. So let's just now see that if we are the general public and if our medicines is real or not. Okay. So yeah. As you can see, yep. So now it shows you the whole history of the scan, and yeah. So moving back to the presentation. So yeah, the challenges we faced, which were pretty much that while implementing the QR code scan, that it always was refreshing after each shot. So we took a step forward and implemented a single shot capture. Another thing we faced, which was that it was very difficult for us, being beginners in this field, to actually link the Solidity program of the blockchain to the front end and the back end. And in the end, we solved it using the Web3 Python library. Our target audience is actually developing and low middle income nations like India, where it was recently highlighted that in a WHO report of 2017 that about 10.5 medicine of the medicines sold are substandard or falsified, which raises major concerns given the raising demand and reduced production mostly everywhere. Over 21,700 packets of fake blood plasma was seized in Bhatinda in 2016. In 2021, a fake Ayurvedic medicine manufacturing and Chyawanprash unit was busted in Naubasta's Keshav Nagar area. So we aim at building a self-sustaining model which will work without external donations or funding. Addition of ad revenue opportunity provided by Firebase Analytics, which will proportionally sustain database cost as a server user base expands. Every manufacturer adopting our PWA will pay a minimal periodic fee in our Ethereum cryptocurrency. For a future roadmap, we plan to convert our web app to regional languages to ensure easier UI for using our system. We wish to add more features to our PWA to make it more accessible to visually impaired community by integrating visual modules. Thank you. That's a wrap from our team, Fun Paper.